จนเกิดผลและส่งต่อให้กับผู้อื่นเทวดาขี่ม้า
This is made entirely of wood and also clay, and this is where we demonstrate all our work.
Our guide took us around from the outside of the museum going to the inside while explaining all the stories and meanings behind each word carving. I was surprised when I learned that everything was actually made of wood. If you look at the pictures of it on the internet, you wouldn't think it's all made of wood, and that they were able to make together all the pieces of wood to create this beautiful museum. You will learn a lot while the tour guide explains various mythological and religious themes from Hindu and Buddhist traditions. I can definitely say that I gained a lot of wisdom about life the moment the tour ended. The whole tour took us around 1.5 hours. It's super fun to travel and learn at the same time.